Hello, today we're taking a look at an unreleased pair of EAFC Phantom 6s from Nike. Here's a look at the box. These come out on September the 29th. I've been very kindly gifted them by Nike to show you guys them early. Here they are. Look at that box. So it flashes between the EA Sports FC logo and then the Phantom Mode logo as well, as you can see. Look at that. That's a cool box. It's meant to obviously be a TV or a gaming system. As you can see, look at that. That is a really nice touch. I really do like these. So we'll open these up and take a closer look, and I'll let you know my opinions and what I think of them. You know, the Phantom 6 is a fantastic boot. I've worn it in the low, I've worn it in the high. So open it up, you do get your Ultimate Team card right there. It's got this kind of mirrored effect so you can see yourself in it, and obviously has all your stats. Your shooting is pretty good, and obviously your overall rating is absolutely incredible. So if you were to use that card in the game, you'd be amazing. It's a very unique boot bag, as you can see here, with the Phantom Mode detailing on the Nike swoosh, and then both logos at the bottom there, as you can see. And it's got this kind of like glitch effect on the actual bag itself. It's like a multicolored, almost like you'll see the grip net on the boot itself. So nice touch. I like that. I always like when the boot bag matches the boots. The paper as well matches that as well. But we'll open these up. Oh, look at these. What are your thoughts on this pair? So I'll keep the box there, but these are the boots. These are the Phantom 6 High by Nike, the EAFC collaboration. Check them out. What are your thoughts on this pair? They did actually come out in a high and a low. This is only the high here. The low is a little bit different. So this high here has a multicolored upper with kind of like black detailing all over it. The low has multicolored detailing but white, so it's complete opposites. I go through phases of which one I prefer depending on the image that I see. At the moment, I prefer these, mainly because I've got them in hand, but also I just recently saw an image from Pro Direct Soccer of them showing them off, and they just looked absolutely incredible. They are a fantastic colorway. It's not one you often see, a multicolored knit on an upper. Yeah, that's pretty cool. But let's take a closer look at some of the details. Obviously, the main thing to look at is the Nike grip net on the upper. As you can see, it's got like multicolored knit woven into the upper, which looks really nice in certain lightings. It really does stand out if you want it to stand out. On the outside, you have a miniature red swoosh here, and on the inside, you have a miniature blue swoosh. So I like how they kind of incorporated all the colors at different parts of the boot. So on the back here, you'll see the backward swoosh, which is kind of well known for the Phantom 6, is in this green colorway, which kind of gives it, I think the boot kind of reminds me of Halloween. It kind of like a, I don't know how to say this. In my opinion, the whole boot kind of reminds me of kind of like a glitched Halloween vibe, but that's just my thoughts. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of it. On the inside of the boot, they changed all the Phantom detailing. So you can see it says Phantom Mode here. So it's obviously all around that kind of gaming aesthetic and kind of gaming vibe that you have for EAFC. And then on the tongue here, you also have the EAFC detailing right here in the green. For me, the colors really work on this pair. I really like the kind of underlying tone that they have at the back heel pattern here, kind of with that green swoosh overlaying. Look at the pattern if you look really closely. Small details like this you actually really miss if you just see it in a photo. Having them in hand, you can see up close the detailing looks absolutely fantastic. In terms of a boot, we all know the Phantom 6 is a fantastic boot. Fits my feet perfectly. I love it because it's a wide fitting boot, so it is incredibly comfy. They've readjusted the sizing a little bit from the GX2, so it's a little bit shorter in the toe, so there's not much space at the toe, which is much better. They've also got this incredibly soft heel at the back, which means it's pretty much no break-in time whatsoever. You can wear these straight onto the pitch and they'll be incredibly comfy. The high collar at the back here doesn't support your ankle in a way. It just kind of makes the boot feel a little bit more locked in. It doesn't have any ankle support or anything like that. It's more of an aesthetic thing, and it's more about how it fits and feels, and it kind of wraps around your ankle a little bit nicer in terms of how it fits. The high is obviously a little bit different to the low, so it has the lace cover. So the laces are underneath, as you can see here, which gives you a little bit more control of the ball and means the laces aren't as distracting. You can fold the laces over. It's kind of like having a tongue on a pair of boots, which completely wraps over the laces, so you kind of strike the ball here because we've got the grip section of the Nike grip net. You can strike the ball here, you can strike the ball anywhere, and the laces themselves won't be a distraction. Because this is a very special release with EAFC and Nike, it does only come in one sole plate, so you'll only get these in the FG sole plate here. This is a closer look at it. So you've got the cyclone plate at the front, which they've readjusted by adding these two studs in, which makes it a lot more stable and just performs a lot better. It's a very good sole plate. and I've worn it on AG, I've worn it on FG, and it works perfectly fine. I'm very, very happy with this sole plate. So Nike, you've done a great job of changing that, because the GX2, a few people had complaints just because these two studs here made it a little bit unstable. But now they've fixed that. You can see they've got this iridescent pattern through the middle here. Normally you see on boots like the iridescent pattern all over the sole plate, but I actually like how it has this kind of split design on it. I really do like that, and it's kind of like a blue. So this, once again, gives me Halloween kind of vibes. It's kind of greeny blue. Yeah, I don't know how to explain this colour, but the whole colourway vibe just kind of gives me Halloween vibes. But let me know down below in the comments what you think of it. Taking a look inside the boot, so if I take out this kind of like collar tree, and then it also comes with paper shoe tree, you can see they've actually customised the insoles as well. I always like when they do little details like this. So I'll take these out. You can see you have the EAFC detailing, it's kind of a glitch effect, and I think, whoa, that was weird. I swear, when I look at it like this on the camera, it looks like Phantom all over it, but when I look at it in my hand, I can't really see that, so I don't know if that's just a weird effect. But let me know down below in the comments, do you see any detailing on that insole, or is it just me? So like I said, this is an unreleased pair. I was very kindly sent it by Nike, so big shout out to them. I'm incredibly grateful that I'm able to review these and unbox these early to show you an early look, so you can get a closer look and decide if you want to purchase a pair. If you are going to purchase a pair, my recommendation was go true to size. I think they fit bang on true to size. If you want a little bit more room, go half a size up. If you want them really tight, go half a size down. But honestly, go true to size is definitely the best fit for me. And if you have wide feet, this is the kind of questions I always get. If you have wide feet, yeah, these are definitely suitable. And because it's multicolored and black, the grip knit won't get too dirty and you won't really notice it, which is great, because as we know, grip knit can get very dirty and can be quite hard to clean. It performs amazingly, but it just has some issues in terms of that. But yeah, these, you won't really see the dirt. And I really do like that kind of knitted, coloured upper. It looks absolutely fantastic. My favourite thing about the boot is definitely that Nike grip knit. Let me know down below in the comments, is your favourite the swoosh at the back here, the grip knit, in terms of the overall design, or the sole plate? Yeah, fantastic. Could actually be the box. I really like that. Look at that. That is wicked. Just looks like a little mini TV that you can play your games on. Love that. Small details like that just make the boot extra special. So let me know down below in the comments, will you be going for these on September 29th? Fantastic pair. Thank you once again to Nike for sending them out. Hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. This has been the EAFC Phantom 6. Very cool.